grace that I have here in my heart, the love and mercy He has given me, the light I will spread, for I believe that I was blessed to give and serve. This is my purpose, this is the mission, giving is the greatest gift of all.
Atong nadungog mga kapuso kining original composition sa usa ka Sugboanon nga estudyante sa usa ka online competition nga gihimo sa ilang eskwelahan karong bag-o. Ato siyang maila-ila karong buntaga mga kapuso unsa inspirasyon niya ini ang paggama og lain-lain nga mga awit. Makauban nato si Margaret Elaine Matin-ao. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning Elaine. Welcome sa program. Daghang salamat sa pag-uban kanamo karong buntaga. Can you tell us more about your song katong The Greatest Gift of All nga nakapadaog nimo ni yung competition sa eskwelahan?
When I wrote this song, I thought about Mother Teresa when she said na it's not about how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. And for me, loving is a privilege. Loving is a right. Loving is a gift for each one of us. So when we think about giving, we think we lose something, but actually we gain a lot more when we give. So giving itself is a gift.
Of course, cycle of generosity. Apart from this song, The Greatest Gift of All, doon na kuno kay daghan nga mga songs nga na-compose?
Yes, ubay na pod. I've been writing since I was an elementary student. Yeah. So ubay na jud.
Why are you into songwriting, Elaine?
Songwriting is a way for me to release my feelings, my thoughts, and for me, it's very fulfilling to see people being touched or moved by music.
Unsa may kasagaran nga mga topic aning mong mga kanta, Elaine, o unsa po'y genre ani?
I started off with acoustic songs kay nag-learn. First instrument ako na-learn kay guitar man, so started off with acoustic songs and mga love songs na siya usually, mga heartbreak. And then, as I grew older, I ventured out into mga self-love na songs about myself, or loving myself, empowering myself, and other people. Then, when I joined the contest, I realized I could also venture out into inspirational songs.
Unsa pamaagi nimo once magsuwat, mag-compose ka og kanta? Do you lock yourself in the room or do they sometimes murag spur of the moment lang idea nga imo yung suwaton?
Actually, most of them kay spur of the moment jud. I am a melody driven nga songwriter, so what that means is that mas maguna ang tune sa akong head before ang lyrics.
Ug di gyud mo palab yun, Elaine, ang kahigayunan karong buntaga. Kasi pwede may mga yun nimo og sample sa imong unsa man, do na ba kay mahatag ka namo sa imong usa sa mga original compositions nimo?
Ikaw ang among saliptanan sa tanan nga kalistanan, isag unsa nga panlimbaso, dili kami angay na mahadlo.
Wow! Elaine, to cap this off, message lang nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato karong buntaga.
My message is that just keep holding on, and soon kay mo okay ra jud ni tanan, and if you have the opportunity, if you are capable, I'm encouraging everyone to practice the gift of giving because we all need it, especially at this time. So because giving is the greatest gift of all. So yeah, I hope everyone stays safe.
Tinuod jud na the greatest gift of all ang giving. Daghan kayong salamat, Elaine. Thank you for inspiring us this morning, mga kapuso. Batanon nga songwriter si Margaret Elaine Matin-ao. Salamat!
Thank you for having me.